And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
So tomorrow's a 34 to 38 degree day. A wind out of the northwest, so fairly seasonably cool. The normal highs for the time of year are about 32 to about 35, 36 degrees. 37 at Attica, 38 Petersburg, about 34 towards Royal Center and Logansport. Now a little bit warmer on Thursday, 35 to 41. And after what's going to be a fairly gloomy day tomorrow with a few flurries or a couple light snow showers, the low clouds still kind of linger into part of Thursday. Then we get a nice clearing trend during the afternoon. So it's a 28, again, headed for that 38, 36 at Kokomo and Rushville, 40 Petersburg, around Oxford over here to Otterburn and Atkinson here in Benton County, about 38 and 36 at Flora. There are those low clouds coming in from the north. And here we are at 9:30 in the morning. Still quite a bit of cloudiness around, and that'll be the case through tomorrow afternoon. If we're lucky, we'll have a break or a crack or two in the overcast. And again, a couple flakes here and there, and a couple flakes even tomorrow night. This is early on Thursday morning. You can still see a lot of cloudiness around, but then it kind of falls apart and diminishes. In fact, by early Thursday evening, not much in the way of cloudiness left. And after a frosty Thursday night, Friday morning with lows around 20 to the low 20s, some clouds dim the sun a little bit on Friday. These won't be the thick low clouds that we'll have tomorrow, but rather thinner clouds where we can still get some sun down to the ground. Now we look to Saturday, and it is accumulating snow southeast of our area. This is heavy wet snow, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, back to southern Ohio, eastern Kentucky, eastern Tennessee. So kind of an Appalachian snow event here. For us, we're watching what's coming our way for later Monday and into Tuesday. Widespread rain coming in, and a lot of wind as well. And that wind with some snow Wednesday morning could be a little bit of a rough commute because we may have a little dusting or a little light coating of snow. Not a big deal, but when you've got winds gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour and temperatures around freezing, and that's just not the best setup for a good morning commute. Then the storm pulls away, and we turn tranquil again for a little while, but there are signs that the cold is waiting in the wings. We've got 2 rounds of cold, and again, like I've always said, this is overall going to be a milder than normal winter, below normal snowfall, below normal precip, but you can still get some surges of cold even in a pretty mild winter. One surge comes southward, temperatures 20, 22 degrees below normal around that 17th through 24th time frame, and then another round of cold, not as long, about the 29th through February 1st, and any one of these rounds of cold may have a round or two, at least some accumulating snowfall. Not a big massive storm, but some accumulating snow. And then we look at the rainfall, the melted snow from whatever we get with this big system early next week. A lot of the areas right around 1 inch of rain, a few places up to 1 1/4 inch, 1.5 inches. So that said, there's your big storm coming up. That is late Monday and into Tuesday. Tuesday's pretty mild, but again, Wednesday morning, a period of some snow and a lot of wind, temperatures in the 30s. And then we warm back up a little bit, highs in the low